Here in Load Manager, we'll see a list of programs that I've posted out, all for my Trump 3030. And we can see in the Operation Manager, my Trump 3030 is in the laser group, and so is my 3040. Now at first we'll leave our new setting, AutoAssign to machine groups, turned off. We'll assign these programs, and we'll see that Load Manager assigns all the programs to the 3030, which is the machine that they were posted out for. So there's all the programs, and it ends sometime around 5:45. Now if I unassign these, and I turn on our new setting to auto-assign to machine groups, this will allow the assignment engine in Load Manager to now take the programs assigned to that machine and balance the load across other machines in that machine group automatically. So now when I assign all of these programs, we'll see that some of the programs get assigned to the 3030 and some will get assigned to the 3040. And all of the work processing ends sometime around 3:30.